Member of Parliament for West Mogrango constituency, which was one of the beneficiaries of the nominees for ambassadorial appointments by His Excellency the President of the Republic, for which we are immeasurably grateful. Today was the turn for vetting of the former Member of Parliament for West Mogrango, who was nominated to be High Commissioner for Kenya in Ghana. Disappointingly, the nominee did not show up, but instead tendered a letter indicating that he has no interest in that job. I am issuing this statement to the Republic to apologize to His Excellency the President, because Parliament was not the appointing authority to which a letter should have been written. It should have been written to the appointing authority well in advance of the vetting day, so that the vetting authority would exercise its discretion to replace that name. Be it as it may, there we are. I do appeal that the nominee for High Commission to Ghana reconsiders the decision he made and quickly recants and revokes the letter that was tendered to Parliament, and he quickly submits himself to vetting so that the appointment process is concluded. Because not doing so is jeopardizing the position that I was counting for my constituency, because the basket of wealth and basket of income from the exchequer that was going to trickle down to my constituency by virtue of this appointment is a loss that I do not want to stare in the face. But if my learned friend, predecessor for West Mogrango, insists that this job had better go any direction, I want to plead with His Excellency the President that now that he extended his love to the people of West Mogrango through this appointment, and even before this appointment there was an appointment for CAS, which ran into headwinds and was replaced by this ambassadorial appointment. And I truly thank the President for consistently showing his love and commitment to support my constituency, and particularly in mentoring and nurturing young leaders like the nominee for the High Commission to Ghana. I do plead with the President not to give up on my constituency. I tender my apology personally and that of the constituency of West Mogrango, and plead that if the nominee to Ghana does not revoke that so-called letter declining and attends and takes up the job, I do plead that he be replaced by a suitable candidate from my constituency, so that our people of Nyamira County, and in particular West Mogrango, can continue praising God